and welcome to my dynamic footprint assignment, or dynamic snow assignment. The goal with this was to um, simulate the effect of footprints in the snow by using a parallax shader. What I have here is a plane of snow, a snow texture, and as you can see if we go over here, there is a level of depth that can be seen in the snow because it is using a height map to update its fragments. Now keep in mind that this isn't updating the vertices like a height map. This is actually using a parallax shader, so the underlying mesh is inconsequential to the effect. Now the goal with this was to update the actual height map as the player moves in order to give the effect of footprints. So if I turn around, actually, you can see that this whole time I've been walking, footprints have been appearing behind me. These do have depth, so if I kind of walk around a little bit, you can see that the footprints are actually indenting the parallax shader, and underneath the indentations of the footprints lie another texture. This is the base ground texture that appears only when a person steps on the snow. So this is simply done by pushing two textures into the parallax shader and then alternating it if the height map value is of a high enough degree. So it gives the effect of these footprints. So I'm going to move the camera here just so you can see that these do actually have depth. Now, a shortcoming that you'll see on the report is that uh, these footprints are not obscured by the snow itself. So as the player walks around, you can see that the footprints in the back are still visible. And the footprints will actually alternate left and right depending on the player's movement. So yeah, very simple concept, but execution was very hard. I actually struggled with this quite a bit. In the end, we ended up modifying the height map using a CPU side texture dump instead of the initial frame buffer. This was easier to do, but it isn't performance optimal. As you can see, there's a bit of stuttering when you walk, and this is because it's actually updating the texture, which works, is the same, but isn't performancely optimal. So yeah, overall, a pretty interesting assignment. I learned a lot about OpenGL more than I thought I would. All right, thank you.